Hi, welcome to the last cast. David Mason back again, and today we're looking at the Glengoyne 18. Yes, from the Glen of the Wild Geese, just in the Highland region on the border between Highland and Lowland. So, interesting stuff, eh? Just a few things about this whiskey. Okay, so we've got an 18-year-old single malt Scotch whisky. It has been laid up in refill sherry casks, and then it's been finished in first fill sherry cask. 43% ABV, retails around about £85. I think the price is going up a bit because of availability, but this is a cracking sherry led whiskey from Robbie Hughes and the team at Glengoyne. Now, it's non-chill filtered, it's natural colour. Have a quick look on the bottle because it gives a few ideas of the notes. We've got spicy vanilla fruit, ripe apples, rich, luxurious mouthfeel. This is a real result of 18 long years and a generous proportion of first fill sherry casks, as I've mentioned, and the patience we take over the slowest distillation in Scotland. Yes, that's a good point to note. The distillation at Glengoyne is very slow, so they get a smoother, more luxurious feel of this single malt Scotch whisky. Okay, right. Well, let's see if the goose laid the golden egg with this one. Sherry fruits. Very nice. So, colour and viscosity. Let's have a look at that. That's a nice golden, intense golden colour. Yes, looks quite oily. Very nice on my nose. Oh, it's an intense sherry flavour going on there. It's nice raisin, dark fruits. Getting hints of honey melon, maybe some pineapple, possibly bananas. Yes, fresh apples on the palate. Oh, that's lovely. Oily, sweet, very rounded, but quite light as well for an 18-year-old. Very gentle, soft spices. Told you this is going to be very elegant, smooth, complex 18-year. And some very well balanced orange. It's like orange marmalade. It's quite mild though, and an immediate soft, longish, warming finish, and it's getting a little bit drier now. This is a very well-rounded, quite a complex, fruity sherry, well balanced, quite sweet, but then goes to warm and drying at the end. Got lots of fruits in there, as I've mentioned. Orange marmalades, banana, pineapple, apples, dried fruits. You can find all those in this sherry. I did. And that's a feat. It's just a lovely, well-rounded 18-year-old. And again, one of my favourites. I like them all. They all bring something different, and I think this is a really good representation of the Glengoyne, probably one of their flagships, or certainly a good representation of a sherry cask finish whiskey from Glengoyne. Yes, I know you'll enjoy it. I've enjoyed it, and I'll raise a glass to saying Slàinte mhath.